Okay, problem 36 asks us to look at two dot plots and compare them. So these dot plots show the number of minutes 30 flights made by two airlines arrive before or after their scheduled arrival times. So what it tells us is this would be right on time. These points would be, say, 5 minutes late, 10 minutes late, and so on. These points were flights that arrived 5 minutes early, 10 minutes early, and so on. So the question is, assuming that you want to arrive as close to the scheduled time as possible, which airline would you buy your ticket from? Use ideas of center and spread to justify your choice. So a very popular measure of center would be the median. So let's just first of all look at the median here. If there's 30 points for each of these, the median would split it into 15 and 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here's my median for airline P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the medians are both the same. They're both at 0. So in order to be able to differentiate these two from each other, we'll also need to talk about the spread, because the centers are the same in terms of the median. So in terms of the spread, you can see the airline Q is much more spread out. So one measure of spread is the range. This is from 35 to 60 on airline Q. So if we were going to make our box and whisker plots, these would be the ends of our whiskers. Whereas for airline P, you see the range is much tighter, between 25 minutes early and 25 minutes late. Much more bunched in the center. So like if you look at, say, 10 minutes before to 10 minutes after, it looks like there's more here for airline P than there are for Q, because for Q they're kind of spread out here. Okay, so I will take you through my response to this prompt. You can read this on your own, but I want to point out a few things. First of all, I give my answer first. I would buy my ticket from airline P. Then I give a bunch of reasons why that I've already kind of described to you when I was looking at the data. And then at the end, I summarize again and I say, for these reasons, I think airline P is a better choice. And in the middle is where I'm explaining what I said about the medians. They both have median values at 0. Airline Q has a much greater range in arrival times. And I say the range is between 35 minutes early and 60 minutes late. And if you look for airline P, more flights, about 21 out of 30, I counted the dots, arrived within 10 minutes of the arrival time, and for airline Q it was only 16 out of 30 flights that did that. Okay, so I gave my answer at the beginning. I gave some reasons talking about center, median, and spread, range, as well as kind of an informal discussion of how they're bunched in the middle for airline P versus airline Q, and then I gave my answer again.